Okay, with just 594 miles, this thing is pretty much brand new. So we're gonna do a very quick test drive here. The car drives perfect. Steering wheel doesn't shake or have any type of shimmy. Shifts nice and smooth. Really nothing to complain about. This is a perfect car. Okay, we're gonna do a visual condition report. So we're looking for scuffs, scratches, chips, dings, any cosmetic imperfections that we can find. Before we start though, I wanna notate this entire car is wrapped in PPF, paint protection film, in full, 100%. Every panel that has paint or carbon is fully protected. You have the full splitter, full front bumper, headlights, full hood, the vent trim around here, full fender. You can see the full mirror, even all of this trim here. All those little details, fully protected. A-pillar, the roof, the door, lower rocker, the door handle here, even this trim around. Now, not the little button itself, but the trim around it. That trim, full quarter, full back bumper, spoiler, tail light inserts, all of this trim fully wrapped, the entire diffuser all the way underneath the car, all the vents, everything. This thing is completely protected, and they did a really good job on it. So starting with the front right wheel, I don't see any curb rash. The wheel itself looks amazing. Carbon ceramics look good. Caliper's nice and clean. Got a couple spots where the PPF is lifting and a little bit of dirt under it. Got a little scuff here on the film. All of that looks amazing. Looking at the carbon roof, looks awesome. Door looks amazing. I mean, this side is super clean. The door looks good. Quarter panel looks good. There's really not much to pick apart on this car. A little lift here on the film. Looking at this wheel, looks amazing. All right, looking at the front end. That looks good. Hood looks awesome. Got a little snag right here in the film. Headlights look good. Spot here in the film. All of that looks really nice. So far, I don't see any curb rash. Looks perfect. Zero curb rash under there. really good. Nice and clean. Looking at this wheel, looks perfect. I don't see any flaws on it. The fender looks good. I mean, you're gonna have some bubbles in the film, but otherwise that mirror is protected. A-pillar looks awesome. And right here we have a little snag in the film. There's really not much to pick apart on this car. It is pretty much perfect. Alright, checking out the back here. Number 145 of 350. The deck lid looks good. All of that's clean. Spoiler looks perfect. Little lift right here in the film. That carbon is awesome. Fully protected all the way underneath. Looking at all the details in here, I don't see any imperfections that stand out. All right, looking at the interior, it is a non-smoker, and of course it still smells brand new. All of this is perfect. I don't see any flaws anywhere. That carpet looks amazing. Bolster looks awesome. All the Alcantara looks good. There's really no complaints here. Got the carbon around the wheel and on the top. All of that looks good. Nice and clean. Alcantara everywhere. That screen looks perfect. Like I said, nothing to really pick apart in here. Looks like a brand new car. Here on the passenger door panel, absolutely perfect. I don't see any flaws. Carpets look good. That bolster's perfect. Same here, and then you can see the Alcantara. Looks amazing. There's really nothing to pick apart on this side.